Hi, this is Shane from Snap Supply. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the code January10 at checkout to save 10% on your first order in January. First thing you need to do is make sure you're in the right place, snapsupply.parts. Once you made it to the website, you can log in. Just log in here. Here we are. Click here to navigate back to the home page. First thing we have to do is add product to our cart. Today I would like to buy 5 igniters. Add to cart. Now it's going to take us to our cart, and as you can see here, we have a window for the discount code. You can type in January10 and click apply, and boom, accepted. Just so you know, the discount will not be reflected here, but after you click checkout and you get your total, you will see your discount applied to your order. And that's all we have for you today. Thank you very much. Bye.